This footage shows only part of an ongoing investigation. All individuals are presumed innocent unless proven otherwise in court.
Don't go into the kitchen! Come here. Come. Put your arms behind your back.
On December 31st, 2025, Harbor Division officers responded to an apartment in San Pedro for a disturbance and possible restraining order violation.
Los Angeles Police Department.
At the scene, the reporting party told officers the 39-year-old suspect was inside her apartment.
Hello, ma'am. Did you call? Yeah, I did. Okay. Is he here right now? Yeah. Where is he?
He was right behind me.
In this house right now? Yeah. What's his name?
Lawrence.
Lawrence! This is Los Angeles Police Department! Where's he now?
He was just right behind me, so I didn't see which way he went. I thought he was gonna, because I told him to stay right here.
Lawrence, this is the Los Angeles Police Department! Come out with your hands up!
How'd you get in?
We were talking because we have a peaceful, what is it called?
Peaceful contact?
Yeah. And then he just wouldn't leave. I was getting ready to leave and he wouldn't leave.
You're sure he was in?
He's here.
He hasn't left though?
No. Well,
Is there another way out?
No, that's what I was gonna say, just one way.
Okay.
Ain't no one way out. You want me to go look?
No, just stay right here.
Okay.
You want to request additional unit before we go all the way?
Yeah. I thought 85 was around.
He does.
Yeah. Why is he not coming out now?
I don't know. I told him just cooperate. I did tell him.
Yeah.
I swear I did.
How tall is he?
6'4".
6'4". How much do you weigh right now?
About 280.
Any weapons?
Not that I know. I mean, I don't think so.
So you guys are allowed peaceful contact?
Yes.
Okay. You just want him gone or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, he does all this to my house.
Mm-hmm.
It's not peaceful, right? It's not very peaceful.
Yeah. Let me check the kitchen real quick.
Hey, show me your hands. Show me your hands.
Can I get additional here?
Show me your hands. Put your hands up and face away from me. Face away from me.
Turn around.
Face away.
Turn around or you're going to get tased.
Turn around.
Turn around or I'm going to tase you.
Face away.
Turn around. Turn around. Look at the door. Turn around. Look at the slider.
Face away from us.
They don't want you looking at them. Turn around. Please do not look at them.
Turn around. Alright, so right now you're not in trouble, but if you don't do what we say, you're going to be in trouble, okay?
Just
You're not in trouble right now. Just do what we're saying. I'm going to tase you if you don't do what you're saying. It's going to hurt. Okay? So right now, you're not in trouble. You're probably going to be able to go home tonight and sleep in your own bed. If you don't do what we're saying, you're going to go to jail. And I don't want to have to do that. It's New Year's Eve, man, okay? So we're just going to do what we're saying. We're going to get to the bottom of this, and then we'll get out of here tonight, okay? Your name Lawrence? Lawrence, right? Are you listening?
Hey, okay. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't let him get in the kitchen.
Put your hands behind your back.
Turn around.
Turn that way.
Face away from me. Hey, get over here.
Get away from the chair.
Please.
Get away from the chair.
Just listen. Just listen.
Turn around.
Turn
Face
around.
away.
Turn around.
559, 559,
Turn around.
517 to respond.
Turn around. Front end, Ryder. Let's make it back up.
Turn around. Don't go into the kitchen.
Turn around. Face away.
Face the other way. Face away from us.
Turn around.
Face away.
We're in apartments. Turn around, dude.
Don't go into the kitchen.
Listen to them.
Don't go into the kitchen.
Come here.
You're not in trouble. We just want to talk. Now face the other way. Face the other way. Face the other way. You're not in trouble right now. Face away from us. Face away from us. And put your hands behind your
Face
back.
the window, back up towards us. Face that way and back up towards us, okay? Can you back up towards us?
Facing that way.
Face that way, back up towards us.
Face that way.
Face that way.
And
No,
don't
go
walk
over
into
there.
the kitchen.
Come here. Come
Don't
out
walk
into
into the kitchen.
Come over here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Face the TV.
Turn around.
Face the TV. Face the TV right now.
Come here.
Come.
Okay, grab it.
Face the TV, bro. Face the TV, bro.
Don't fight.
Stop pulling your arms away.
Do not fight.
Put your arms behind your back. I'm holding it. Grab me. Yes! Stop grabbing me! Stop! Grabbing me! Stop! Drop my gun! Drop my gun! Drop my gun! No, bro! No, I'm gonna shoot you! Oh, shoot you! Stop it! He's got it! He's got it! Oh my God! Stop resisting!
During the confrontation, the suspect was struck by gunfire. Officers then provided immediate medical aid. Los Angeles Fire Department personnel also responded and transported the suspect to a hospital, where he was later pronounced deceased. Both officers sustained bruises, cuts, and scrapes during the incident and were transported to a local hospital for treatment. No other community members were injured during the incident. Investigators will closely review the moments leading up to the shooting.
No, don't walk into the kitchen. Come here.
After refusing commands, the suspect physically resisted officers as they attempted to detain him.
Don't fight.
Stop pulling your arms away. Put your arms behind your back.
The confrontation escalated. This presentation does not draw conclusions. It examines what investigators may review when assessing the totality of the incident. For more critical incident footage and case reviews, consider subscribing to the channel.